Hi guys, it's me Gabby and I'm from Mon-Babyz. Amber is not here. She's currently in the world of her phone.
Hello, it's Mon-Babyz, and today we'll be reacting to Rain's new music, well not new, Rain's music video, Gang.
Gang, we don't know, but Gang.
Gangnam Style. Who's supposed to know?
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Rated 15, what's gonna happen? What we got? We got a Jeep.
I miss you so much. Sorry.
Casual 101. How that guy jumped out of there was like intense. It's kind of loud. I'm gonna turn it down.
It is kind of loud. That was a good. Ew.
Whoa!
He looks so stupid. I like the beat though.
Yeah.
It's like.
It's like a rap walk.
This is what I would listen to on my way to school.
Honestly.
Definitely. Like blast it so people look at me weird. Not you.
Yeah. He's not
a rapper. Why are you trying, boy? That shirt is hideous. You're trying to be Robbie, but you're not.
Literally. This is something Robbie would do to make you feel better.
Love Robbie.
I really hate his shirt. Like his shirt's really bothering me a
I know.
lot. It's like his shirt's like a jacket. It's like a burger balloon. Is that a light stick?
How is he dancing to the slow part?
Pretty straight.
So stupid.
Okay, I like that part, but that's like all I like, honestly.
Yeah. I like the Ferris wheel. You're not a rapper. Stop trying to be Robbie. Stop trying to be one chick. She cute. I love your cringing. It sounds so weird in this. Like if this was a song.
What, like the bridge part?
Yeah, the bridge part was a song.
It'd be a great
Because I
thing.
like his voice.
This girl's outfits, like, get it.
I like her outfit the best. Bulls.
Get it.
They always are wearing something with bulls.
That was so scary.
No, it still is. So I think that's the theme of this music video. I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. I like the beat, and if the bridge were its own song, yes.
Yeah.
But otherwise, stop trying to be Robbie.
Don't rap.
Stop trying to be a rapper. You a singer. And
Know your voice part. Know your place, Rain. I don't know who told him. He probably went to his friends like, hey, listen, if I were to make a song where I rap, would it be great? They were like probably drunk. They were
they're fake friends.
yeah,
if they
yeah,
tell
go
you
ahead.
that something they know is gonna be disgusting isn't, and you do it and it's disgusting, they fake friends. They just want to see you fail.
Like
Rain,
the only excuse I can think for this is that his company wanted him to do that. That's the only thing I can think
yeah,
of.
but then usually companies don't like them to be that hard, like with the girls in the back and stuff like that. I don't even know what company he's with. But yeah, no, don't recommend this.
That ending was so scary though. Just like, no, you saw me. I was like, I don't like it.
No, like you know what it reminds me of? But like obviously it gets better. Remember Ukwan's mask?
Yes.
In Very good.
Very good. Yeah, that's what it reminded me.
But
of.
he didn't have it on. He had it like
He's
this.
like that, and he was like
and
that.
He was hot. But like,
he came out like a freaking monster in a horror.
Yeah,
he was like, I was like, no.
It's like the Demogorgon in Stranger Things.
He is the Demogorgon.
His shoulder pads.
Those shoulders. Oh, that was so.
That was bad.
Like
I don't
Rain.
think we've ever disliked the video this much.
Never disliked the video this much.
So anyways, lesson of the day. Don't look like that. Don't act like that. Don't try to be someone you're not.
Rain. Listen to our words.
Anyways,
God.
as always, if you liked this video,
Please
give us
leave
a like for us suffering through that for you, please. If you made it this far, suffering through it with us, thank you.
Thank you. You can also subscribe if you want to, because we happen to be great people, I think.
I hope so.
I hope we're great people.
And we usually react to really great stuff. That was an exception, but you know, yeah. So subscribe. Also, if there are any music videos not like this that you want us to react to, leave a comment down below, comment on our Twitter, our Instagram, all that stuff. All our social media is down below in the description. So, also, if you made it this far, we also have a little gift for you, which is a 10% off code for our favorite shop, Shop Twazi. She makes wonderful cases like these.
The best person.
This beautiful case.
Beautiful.
And she makes a whole lot of other things like apparel and keychains and bracelets, things like that. She makes it all. Like K-pop apparel, that is your one-stop shop.
And it's good quality too.
Yes,
so
very
that's
good
what's
quality.
even better.
Quality.
Mm-hmm.
So our 10% off code for you is Mon-Babyz with the dash and all lowercase. If you put that in, then you get 10% off your whole order.
The whole thing.
The whole thing. So that is our gift. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.
Bye.